Here we go. We are back at it again. We are doing another soup. So we are using some extra virgin olive oil that's infused with garlic from Squirrel Made. This stuff is phenomenal. They're based out of Georgia. Woo! Give it a nice little dose. And then we are going to get our onions and garlic in, ready to sweat them down. There's our beautiful onions. We did forget on accidentally to film the garlic going in, but hey, you get the idea. So instead of roasting our butternut squash, what we did is we put it on the big green egg at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, just to give it that little bit more of a smoke dynamic flavor. Obviously, we are cooking over Jealous Devil charcoal. It gives you that flavor. Ooh, it can't be beat. What you want to do is kind of look exactly like this, where it's just getting a nice little crunch on the outside. It's really building up that flavor. Once we have that done, it's going to go into our pot. Now, unfortunately, we could only find a small butternut squash. We recommend either going with a medium or a large one, depending on how much you want to make. So our soup didn't thicken quite as much as we would have liked it to, but hey, it happens. Let's go in with our chicken stock. There we go. Then we're going to hit it with our Windy City just to add some more flavor. Stir it on in. And then let's hit it with that immersion blender. Ooh, yeah. Get all those chunks nice and immersed. It's a new word I just made up right there. Once you have it to the consistency that you like it, pull that immersions blender out. Let it sit for another 5-10 minutes. And here we go. Let's spoon it into that bowl. Guys, if you like our content, make sure you like and subscribe. Whew. We'll see you guys next time.